Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add location link in Canva invitation. Alright, let's begin. First, head over to canva.com in your preferred browser, and then search for the design or the invitation that you are going to create. So, I will be selecting a new template for this tutorial, but you can also use an existing one obviously. Once you have the invitation open, you will be able to edit it however you like. In order to add a location link, you just need to select the address text and a bunch of options will open up. You just need to select the link icon and an address bar will appear. Now you just need to open a new tab and then search for the target place in Google Maps. Once done, copy the location's link from the top and then paste it into the address bar on Canva. After that, save the changes and then share your invitation as a PDF. Now, if I open the PDF, you can see that the location link is clickable. So that's basically how you can add location link in Canva invitation. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.